Hey guys, welcome back to another video about the Land Rover camper project. Today I wanted to cover the sink that I made in the back door of this thing and how I did that for under $100 so you can have clean, fresh water no matter where you're taking your rig. If you haven't seen the original videos, I'll link those up in the upper right hand corner as well as in the description. So if you want to check those out, you can feel free. Alright, so here's the basics of the sink setup. So basically, all of your water is stored in this 6-gallon jug right here. I got this for about 40 or 45 bucks from, I think, Ace Hardware. Might have been True Value, I can't really remember. But it's a portable water jug, carries 6 gallons, and it usually has a spout on it. It's food safe, and it's just readily available, something you can grab off the shelf. It's been modified. I converted the spout into this 90-degree with some old plumbing parts I had laying around, and that goes into this clear hose that comes out here, and then that's where your water comes out right there. The whole thing is powered by this super cheap, I think it was about $9 Harbor Freight air compressor. It's so cheap that they don't recommend it for use with full-size tires. It's like a ATV kind of thing. And that thing, I didn't need any pressure, I just needed airflow. So that pressurizes this, and that forces water up through a hose inside, up out here, and like that. If you've ever seen the windshield washer fluid system in a VW Bug, like an original one from the 60s, it's very similar to that, how it works. And basically I've got my on-off switch here, and everything is hardwired into it. There's a 12-volt outlet in the back of this thing, like over there somewhere, and that's how that all runs. You're gonna need this water jug or a water jug similar to this. You're gonna need cheap air compressor or some sort of air source, possibly a like 12-volt air mattress pump would be good for this because it moves a lot of air. It might work a little quicker than this thing because it doesn't move all that much air. And then you're just going to need a switch if you want to hardwire it like this, some leftover plumbing parts for the little spout there, and then some clear tubing or whatever you got really for the spout here. And this just, you want it to be flexible so it can fold up and be out of the way like that. But other than that, that's about all you'll need. So about 40 bucks for the tank, probably 10 or 15 in plumbing parts, including the hose there, about $10 for that little air compressor or whatever you want to use to move air. And that's about all you're going to need for a super basic setup like this. And it went together pretty quick, about 45 minutes, and now I have portable water on the go. Little things I've added on top of that, I've got a little soap dispenser right there. It's basically just a regular store-bought soap thing mounted on a little bracket held in with a strap. And then I reused this old paint roller. This is where my paper towels usually go. I took it off so you could see the compressor better, but that's where the paper towels go. So you've got paper towels, soap, and water all in one spot, perfect for washing your hands. You can put dish soap there and wash your dishes here, and it works really well. Yeah, I really enjoy the setup. I've been using it a lot. It's super convenient to have like this much water on hand if you need it, and it's worked super well for me, and I'm super happy to have it.